we managed to set the world record of 273 Dodge 1500 and heavy-duty pickup trucks. So a round of applause, guys. It's huge, huge, huge. Each and every one of you played an intricate part in that. So at least you can say to your neighbor, you're a part of history and you're a part of the Guinness World Record book. So
from England to be a part of it here in Dresden.
Thank you.
Thank you to the Guinness World Records. Cool, so we explained it, but there's some logistics. Right now, a world record being set.
We're just pleased. We're overwhelmed with the amount of people that came out. It truly reflects the Ram family, and we couldn't be more happier. We couldn't be more happier.